Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber if you guys are new. In today's video, as you guys can tell by the title and the look that I have right now, we are going to be doing this eye look, and most importantly, we're going to be trying out magnetic lashes from GLAMNETIC. I did collab with them in this video, so I would love all your love and support on it, but also keep in mind I'm also 110% honest when it comes to any review or first impressions of products here on my channel. I am super excited to show you guys the video and the how-to on how to create this look. If you guys are new, make sure you guys are subscribed, and let's just jump right into today's video. All right, so we are going to jump right in. I'm going to take my foundation and my concealer and just kind of mix the two. I'm going to just carve out my brows and create a neutral base over my eyelid. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 20 brush, and I'm going to just carve out the brows pretty much. Just pressing my translucent powder over top of my eyelid to just set those areas. So I'm going to be taking this Pixie palette. I believe it's a bronzer palette. It's a Summer Glow palette in Sheer Sunshine. I'm going to go in with the shade Subtly Sun Touched. And I'm taking my ColourPop E22 blending brush. So it's a very simple eye look, but when you get to the liner, it might become a little bit more complicated. But I thought I would have fun with the eye look. So I'm taking that shade, smoking it out towards the temple area. What I am going to do is take that shadow over. I'm not going deep in the crease, kind of bringing that shadow down towards the inner corner. Taking this deeper shade also in the palette in the bottom left hand corner in Suntan to add more depth and dimension. Bring that shadow in. Can do so. We're just going to go in and quickly cut the crease. All right, so I'm going to quickly take the smaller palette from ColourPop. This is the Crush Pressed Powder Palette. I like the shade right here to set that cut crease, so I'm going to go in with that in the shade Bow. So taking the first two shades from my Pixie palette, that lighter and deeper bronze shade, I'm going to take my E22 ColourPop blending brush, press that on the outer corner, and softly diffuse that towards that cut crease. So taking the small crease brush from Makeup Geek, I'm going to go in with that deeper bronze shade from that Pixie palette. I'm going to just define the shadow above the cut crease just a little bit more. All right, so now we're going to go in with the liner portion of this. So I'm going to be using the GLAMNETIC So Future Magnetic Felt Tip eyeliner pen in Deep Space. It says shake well before use. Gently apply the tip to the upper lash line. So they say to apply 2 to 3 coats to get a longer wear throughout the day. Do not use the liner on the waterline or lower lash line, so we will avoid that at all costs. I'm going to apply the liner and do my normal wing. I think on the upper part, just to make it easier, I'll be using my thin brush from Sephora collection just to get that fancy line that I have going on there. So I'm first just going to line out everything, and then I'll go in and do 2 to 3 coats where the lash will lay. There's nothing wrong with the felt tip. Just to get a quick even line, I'm just going to quickly do this for the time being. What I'm going to do is apply my second and third coat. I'm going to go in with the style Bombshell, which looks like these right here. Super pretty. There are 2 anchors on the outer and inner corners. I like to just take those off, but you can apply those afterwards. You can trim the lashes too if they don't fit. There are 6 magnets underneath of that lash band that will adhere to that felt tip magnetic liner. So remember, no lash glue. You don't need to do a crazy wing liner like I did. I just wanted to have fun with the look, but you definitely can just do a thin line across and just see how that works. Key tip that I have for applying any type of false lash, whether it's magnetic or using lash glue, I love to have my little mirror. Just hold it right below. This gives me the chance to look exactly where that lash band is lining up to my natural lash line, and it'll give me a nice clean application so it's not messy. The magnets immediately adhere to that magnetic liner, which is amazing, and nothing is sticking up, nothing is poking out. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. It feels so lightweight, which is also nice. I did have the other style in Lavish, so I'll quickly show you guys that style. And what I love about their packaging is it has the application tip on the back and also a QR code that you could scan with your phone. So what's super nice with the QR code is it'll take you right to their website where they show you step-by-step video on how to apply the magnetic lashes. All right, you guys, so I finished my makeup off camera, but this is today's look. This is my first day wearing them, first time ever trying them. Not that I didn't expect it to turn out good. I just was so curious to the process, like, do they really stick? I've been wearing lashes since high school. I've had my good days and bad days with lash glue. The whole magnetic application makes applying those false lashes 10 times easier. So I definitely say with GLAMNETIC, if you want an easier, more time-friendly way to apply lashes, definitely check out GLAMNETIC. They have so many different styles of lashes available. You can shop it by lash shape, so cat eye, round, and wispy. And then you can also shop lashes that fits your eye shape. So almond, deep set, hooded, monolid, and round. And then you can also try on the lashes too, just to see how they will look before you actually purchase them. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how you guys can use my discount code AMBER2021 to get 20% off your purchase. So I'm gonna go to the website, I'm gonna add Lavish to my cart, black felt tip magnetic liner, and then I'm actually gonna go in and add Vixen. Remember, the lashes are reusable. Enter my discount code AMBER2021 and you will get $20 off that. So the 102 comes down to $82.38. All right, you guys, so that completes the makeup tutorial today using magnetic lashes. I think I have a new favorite. I love that magnetic lashes are coming to light. I think it's going to be super easy for people who struggle with lash glue. Throw your lash glues away if you aren't a fan, and definitely try out magnetic lashes and the magnetic felt tip pen adhesive. I do hope eventually, I didn't see it on their website, that they do eventually come out with a clear applicator. Let's be honest, there's days where I don't want to wear black liquid liner or any other color. I just maybe want to wear lashes in general. Maybe eventually they'll come out with that. But all in all, it was an easy process and super fun to do, and they feel amazing. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing lashes. Super easy application. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.